Hello everyone! In this video, we're exploring the incredible possibilities of 3D printing to craft extraordinary and intricate art that pushes the boundaries of creativity. That's basically what 3D printing is all about. It's a process where a printer creates objects layer by layer using materials like plastic, resin, or even metal. This little hat adds a charming touch to plain street fences. With the right measurements, you can decorate the entire fence if you like. Using a 3D printer, So Printed creates not only a bag but also a top and a jacket for Barbie, all in real life. 3D printing fashion involves using advanced materials like thermoplastic polyurethane and other flexible filaments, which provide durability and flexibility. So, what exactly is 3D printing? Imagine having a magical machine that can turn your digital designs into real-life objects. Check out these fun and quirky 3D printed card storage bows with legs. Not only are they practical for keeping your cards organized, but their little legs make it look like they're ready to walk off your desk. This 3D printed Death Star lampshade glows in the dark, adding a cool intergalactic vibe to any room, perfect for Star Wars fans. This 3D printed chameleon, crafted from PLA plastic, is pretty cool. PLA, or polylactic acid, is a popular material in the 3D printing world. It's made from renewable resources like cornstarch or sugarcane, making it eco-friendly and biodegradable. To ensure the strength of flexible filaments prints, use a design with reinforcements and an appropriate internal pattern. Correct print settings, like temperature and speed, help avoid warping, while proper wall thickness and fill density offer support. You can make almost anything, from simple keychains to complex mechanical parts. It's not just for professionals. Hobbyists and de-enthusiasts can join in too. What do you think of this dragon door knocker? It would look great on your front door. Krizia made 21 3D printed panels using 3D pen welding for her latest project. Creating this skirt was both fun and challenging, and she can't wait to see how it moves while walking. Animon Studios offers the Flexi Sherazard Bigley in 3 sizes available on Etsy. Each piece is made to order, with custom sizes ranging from 8 to 21 inches upon request. The model is printed using a Prusa XE with Bambulab's matte plough and Amylin standard plough. Get ready for some Azimuth assembly with the 2000% Lego Man. 3D Meeks took on this massive project, using 7 kilograms of filament and spending over a month to complete it. When removing 3D printed pieces, applying gentle heat to the print bed can help loosen the bond between the filament and the surface. Using a heat gun or a hairdryer on low heat can make it easier to detach the printed object without damage. EcodeCat 3D typically uses recycled water bottles, which is an excellent method to help the environment. And the outcomes are fantastic. The 3D printer reads your digital file and starts building the object from the bottom up. It stacks thin layers of material until the object is fully formed. We're reinventing the game of chess, making it epic every time you capture a piece. Plough is relatively easy to print and durable, but for added strength, materials like PET can be used. Wicked Winks creates not only a fun and colorful toy but also makes it with fluorescent material that glows in the dark. Remember when Pool Noodles could fix any kind of imperfection? Now, meet their 3D printed version. Meeks recently showcased a giant 3D printed Lego skeleton in an Azimuth assembly video. After creating a 100 crescent Lego skeleton a year ago, he now presents a 3000 crescent version standing 4 feet tall. Some printers use recycled materials, promoting sustainable manufacturing practices. Today, 3D printers can use various materials, including edibles ones like chocolate or cheese, using concrete and other materials, making affordable housing more accessible. Create prefect snowballs every time with this awesome tool. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.